Good morning guys, it's Miss Terry again. We're gonna keep working with what we did yesterday, okay? Yesterday we answered the page 25. Today we're gonna check the page 26. We're gonna keep practicing mental subtraction. Remember that it's important to take your time, analyze the video. You have the advantage to play the video and to watch the explanation as many times as you need, so do it. Do not think that maybe on the first watch you're gonna get it. If you do it, perfect, that's amazing. If you don't, it's okay. Take your time so you can understand better, okay? We're gonna have two ways to do it. The first one, we're gonna do it by following the method of the book, and the second one, again, that I think that you're gonna decide to go and use this one, is going to be easier, okay? Let's focus then. So our instruction says subtract 23 from 54. We remember that the way to set up a subtraction sentence is always to start with the greatest part or the whole. We need to start writing our subtraction sentence that is something like this: 54 minus 23. If you remember yesterday, the process we did was taking the first part and split it up. Today we're gonna do it again, but now we're gonna take the second part. We're gonna split up this part, okay? And that means that we're gonna rewrite your subtraction sentence. Again, how are we gonna do it? You're gonna take your tens and you're gonna take the ones. We're gonna split it up, okay? When you have something like this, you're gonna go and take, this is step number one, split up the second part. Your tens and your ones. When you have this one, you're gonna take the tens you have and you're gonna rewrite the subtraction sentence. That means that we're gonna take the first part, that is 52 minus 20. This is step number 2, okay? 54 minus 20 equals 34, okay? This result, the 34, we're going to use it to go to the step number 3. Why? Because you're going to do another subtraction sentence. We're starting with this one, 34 minus. And you're going to go to the first step and you're going to take the ones, the number that you have left at the beginning. 34 minus 3, it is 31. And this is going to be your answer, 31. Okay, oops, it's not very clear. Let me write my number 1 better. Okay. Yes, 54 minus 23 equals 31. Better. Step number 1, splitting up the second part, tens and ones. Step number 2, you take the first part and you take away the tens. To the result, you subtract again with the ones, okay? Kind of tricky, it requires a lot of practice. The second part is gonna be easier. Pay attention to this one. Some of you already know how to do this. We write our subtraction sentence, 54 minus 23. What we can do, it's really simple. You can start identifying ones with ones and actually write like a little mark on it. In my case, I used a dot. And tens with tens. What do you have to do? Subtract. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Remember to follow the place value rules. The ones are always on the right. And the tens, 5 minus 2 equals 3. 31. That's it. As you can see, the result is the same. This one is very, very easy. Important observation. You can use this method because we are not regrouping. No regrouping. If we need to regroup, we won't be able to do this. Okay? That's it. Choose your method. Method number 1 or method number 2. Try to practice this one. Okay? I know you want to do this one because it's easier and it's faster. But anyways, once in a while, you can practice it one. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye-bye.